Children, we have learnt the parts of our body. Yes. Now let us learn the uses of it. Like for example, what does your eye do? You have got two eyes, right? So what does your eye do? Your eyes help you to see. Okay, your eyes help you to see. What do you see? For example, you see your mother, you see your father, yes, and you see the mobile phone, then you see the television, right? You do it with your eyes, right? Then what do you do with your nose? With your nose, you smell food. What do you smell? You smell the food. Or if it is a garbage, when you pass near a vat, if there is a garbage bin, then you close your nose. Why? Because it's not a good smell, right? So when it is a good smell, like for example when you smell biryani, then what do? You smell more, right? So with the nose helps you to smell things, right? What does your ears do? How many ears do you have? I have got 2 ears. So what does the ears do? The ears help you to hear, right? When you hear your mummy calling, then your ears listen, right? So you listen with your ears, or you hear with your ears. You listen. Okay. When you put on the television and you listen, then you listen with your ears. You see with your eyes and you listen with your or hear with your ears. Okay. Then what do you do with your hands? With your hands you write. With your hands you hold the book, right? See, I'm holding the book. With your hands you eat ice cream. You hold the ice cream and you eat. With your hand you eat the food. With your hand you pet the animals when you pet a street dog or when you pet a pet cat, right? So with your hands you hold, catch, hug. You do this. Okay. What do you do with your tongue? Or your mouth? What do you do with your mouth? You eat with your mouth, right? You eat. What do? You eat the good food which you smell, and then after that you have to eat them, right? Only smelling will not do. You'll have to eat them. So you eat them with your mouth. Okay. Finally, what does your leg do? What does your leg do? Your leg helps you in walking, running, hopping, skipping. You walk, okay? Can you run? Yes, you can run, but you have to try running, okay? Do you hop? You can hop. You can skip with your leg. Huh? And what else you can do? Do and see, okay? Hop, skip, run, walk. We can do so many things with our leg. Now let us see it. Okay, let us understand this thing. This is the action of each part. Whatever I explained till now was action, right? Your eyes see, that is an action, right? Your ears help you to hear. Hearing is an action. Your hands help you to catch, okay? So that is an action, right? Your legs help you to walk. Walking is an action. Your mouth helps you to eat. Eating is an action. Now let us see here. Let us read the instructions. Tick the correct action for each part of the body. Okay. First one, what is this? Hand. Let us see what is he doing here. We'll have to, whatever is here, we'll have to match which object matches with the hand. Okay. What we do with the hand. See, this boy is drawing. He's drawing with his hands. Okay. So I tick it. He's drawing with his hands. Hands are drawn here. He's coloring with his hands, right? This girl is listening to the music. For music, what part do you need? Do you need your hand? Yes? No, you need your ears to listen. When you listen to music, you need your ears. See, the earphones are on the ears. Next, this is leg or feet, right? Now, what is the first boy doing? He is eating an ice cream. Do you use your leg while eating? No. What is he using? He is using his mouth, right? Or tongue. He is licking with it. Okay, so this is no, not. What is this boy doing? He is walking. For walking, you need your legs. Yes, you need your legs for walking. So I put a tick. Okay, next. What is this? This is the nose. Again, let us see here. What is this girl doing? This girl is listening to music. Do you need your nose when you listen to music? No. Right? What is this girl doing? She's getting the smell of the scent, perfume. Right? Have you ever seen a perfume in your house? Tell your mommy to show you one, okay? And you smell the perfume. The perfume smells fantastic. So you smell it with your nose. Next, what are these? These are the eyes. Okay, so what is the first girl doing? The first girl is doing, she is seeing the rainbow. So, seeing is an action. With what do you see, children? Yes, you see with your eyes. So, eyes, I am seeing the rainbow. Right? What is this boy doing? Is he using his eyes? Yes, he is using his eyes to draw it, but he is drawing with his hands. Right? So, eyes is not here. He is using his hands to draw. Okay, so this is no. Now, what is this? This is the mouth or the tongue. See, the tongue is out, but this is the mouth. This region is called the mouth. What is this boy doing? He is licking the ice cream. So, is he using his mouth? Yes, he is using his mouth. What is this boy doing? Is he using his mouth? No. He is kicking the ball. He is playing football. Look here. He is using his leg to kick the ball. So, he is not using his mouth here. So, I will not put a tick there. Could you understand, children? Please practice like this, okay? The action words. What you do with your hands, your legs, your nose, your eyes. Okay? Try to learn like this.